Tell the Charlotte boys are at the office by the time we get done here.
I told them to call me when they got into town. So kind of watch this corner right here. Okay. Watch this corner right here. I got it.
Just hush.
Daniel,
okay?
come around the front.
10-4.
Huh? Oh, I'm over. Anyway, what you been doing?
Working.
Working.
Yeah. Watch. Go up about halfway them steps and watch the door while I search the house. And I come in and look.
Yeah, I'm on.
Anybody else in here?
Well, yeah, Tracy and Angela's upstairs. She's in bed now.
Alright.
Come on, Dogie.
What's in here?
That's the kitchen. Bed. You know the house.
Yeah.
Hey, Mike, you look for probably about a second.
Hey, Pooch.
That's Dogie.
Ha! It's a cute little thing.
Did you get the name? Dogie?
Dogie.
D-O-G.
Hey, how are you?
Dogie, leave him alone. Come on. Come here, go in there and try it, Dogie. Come on.
No, you're good. I just peek around real quick. She in here?
No, she's not in here.
She not in here?
Are you looking for Cynthia?
Okay.
No, no.
He's done his job, huh?
All right. So just you and her?
Huh? No, that Angela's up here.
Angela's up here?
Her room's big shut. She's in bed.
Open the door.
Huh? Is that what I mean? Robbie?
Daniel, what's that door on them steps?
Huh?
The door to that room's locked.
What door?
You want me to try the door up here on the top of the steps?
Just hold on a minute.
Hey. Well, I'm
How are
trying.
you?
Good, looking for
I
Cynthia.
didn't know who it was.
Cynthia in here?
I don't know. I don't.
She in there?
No, I'm the only one in here, see?
Alright.
Okay. Just me. I didn't recognize you. I do now.
Robbie,
Hi, how are you?
you got a way to open this door?
Not this side, no.
Not from this side?
She got the key to the door on the other side.
Alright. Who's in there?
I don't know who's in there.
It's locked
It
from
should
the...
be. Yeah, I know. When she leaves, she locks that door
Right.
and goes in and out the other door over there.
Alright, I'm gonna have to get it open. I mean, this is the address on the paperwork, so I mean, if I have to, I can take it down. I don't want to do that.
Right. Let's see. And I've not got a key to that doorknob over there on that one.
Open the door.
That bottom pin won't come out, so that's a problem.
I'm gonna take this door off the hinges. And you better hope you're not in there. Y'all.
I broke the tip over that. Now, blinded myself.
I didn't know who that was. I was like, oh, damn.
Yeah, it's just mine.
Look me up. It's alright. And then I seen it, I was like, oh, it's mine.
Open the door. Daniel, call showing them and see how far out they are. Open this door. Who's yellow truck?
What, Dave?
Dave.
Yeah.
He's
He's in jail.
He's in jail. Who's driving it? Who's driving it?
Hell, I don't know that truth, but he left it here. Okay.
So you may want to open it.
Blinded. Yeah, hang on.
Come on. Cynthia, I've always worked with you. Now you got... Your door says superstar. Come on. Come on, superstar. Open the super duper door, or it'll hit the super duper floor. Come on, was that you I heard laugh? Come on. You know you opened the door, I'll work with you.
Oh, I thought. Oh.
Oh yeah, I got a guy on the other side.
Hey, I know.
Yeah.
Right. Now to everybody in this house, I know nobody wants trouble.
Uh-huh.
Nobody wants trouble.
No, huh?
Right. I need to know, is she in this room or not?
I've been asleep. I thought she was gone. I've been gone all evening. I've been asleep.
Because they could get, y'all could get charged for
Right.
harboring if y'all know she's in there. And
She came on
Nice.
earlier to come back and she left, and then I thought she was still gone. I didn't know that she
Right. What kind of vehicle have they been driving?
she's been in, well, Adams and Dale, so I don't know what she's been riding. She's been riding a gray car, but she ain't riding it no more. Because it got shut down.
Whose silver car?
That's Adam's
Adam.
car. He got put in jail last night.
Adam.
London. Yeah, London.
Okay.
Sorry.
Alright, so she's been driving it?
She's been riding it. Yeah.
Alright, who's been driving her?
Adam's been driving her, but he went to jail last night, so his car's
The car
been sitting
was
here
locked
sitting
up
ever
since last
since.
night.
I need to know if she's in there and anybody's with her.
I don't know. She's here. I just got here.
Cause I got about 3 7-foot dudes about to plow into this place.
Honestly, dude, I know.
So I just need to know if she's in there.
Get it. Let me get it. Get it. Get it.
I was asleep, so I have
Dog got something.
I mean, literally, I've been asleep since what time, Robbie?
Hell, I don't know.
I don't know, 8, 7, 8, something like that.
Huh?
I've been asleep since 7 or 8 o'clock.
Something like that.
Alrighty. Thank you, thank you.
You're welcome.
Sorry to bug you.
You're fine, you're fine.
Am I good to take it in the door?
If you have to. I mean,
Alright.
but let's see if we can get that pin up somehow if we're going to.
We will. You got a screwdriver?
I got, yeah. Instead of ripping my door.
Come on, Cynthia. This door's coming down. Alright. Is it coming? Ah, see, I heard you. Door's coming down. Bang! Pin 1. Now to get that one.
That was up.
This.
Yep.
Alright. You don't want to pull out because of them whips on that. So let me see if it'll come now. Come on, Cynthia. Alright, door's down. I got a taser. I would recommend no sudden moves. If you're in here, you might want to come out. Danny, stay right there, close it. Oh, there's a door here. Alright. Watch that door. Hey, go back out in the hallway. Right there. What's that door go to?
There ain't no door there.
What is that?
That's just the wall. That's the wall between the bedrooms.
Alright.
Yeah, that's all.
Alright, Daniel.
Wall.
Daniel, you got my 6? Come here. Alright, come here.
Did you check under the
Under the bed?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just go ahead and check again. She's real small, so. Heck.
Fuck. Mike. Oh, this is her. Get the fuck
up.
What?
Get
Hold
up.
on, hold on.
No, there ain't no
No,
holding
you
up.
got the wrong person.
No, I do
You
not
don't-
have the wrong person.
Yes, you do.
I am not stupid.
No, I'm afraid you are. You want to see my ID? I'm Jesse. You got
No,
me mixed
I
up.
know who you
No,
are.
you've got me mixed up.
No, I do
Robbie,
not.
will you please tell him you've got
I've
me?
dealt
I
with
can
you
show you
before.
my ID.
Don't
Hold on,
jerk
I can-
away from
I
me.
can show you my ID. Hold on 1 second, please.
No, I know who you are.
No, I'm being serious. I have an
I
ID.
know who
Please
you
don't
are.
get me mixed up with her.
That's alright, because we're going to take that ID to the jail.
Okay, that's fine. Can I grab
and
it for you?
you will
Can I
get
grab it
charged.
for you, please? Can I please grab it for you? Please, can I grab it for you?
Jerk away
I'm
from me
being
one more time.
serious.
No, you're not Cynthia. I'm not stupid.
Cynthia. I'm not Cynthia. Don't even try this shit. I'm not Cynthia. You're not about to tell me I'm
Hey,
Cynthia.
stop it. You are going to get
I am not
fucking tased.
Cynthia.
You're going to get tased.
But I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
I'm not
Cynthia
stupid.
doesn't wear glasses.
Really?
Yes, really.
Turn around.
She doesn't have freckles. I do.
Robbie, you need to tell her.
Robbie,
She's
please tell
gonna
him
get
I'm
tased.
Jesse. He doesn't understand.
She's going to get tased.
Robbie.
Turn around
Would you
and
please
put your...
tell him? Robbie, what the hell, really? No, don't even try and touch me. You get your arms off of me.
Stop it.
Quit! My name
Light her
is
up, light-
Jesse, quit! Seriously, stop! I'm just trying to show you! Please, I'm just trying to show you, Michael. I'm being serious.
Oh, really? If you're not Cynthia, how do you know my
I've met
name?
you before. My mom's met me. We've met you plenty of times. Back on Sugarloaf. That's the only reason I know you.
We're not stupid.
I'm being serious. Let me show you my ID. I promise you. Please, just let me show you. Please. I'm being serious.
You got it?
Ow. Ow. That hurts. That hurts.
Please.
That hurts.
Well, if you'd stop struggling.
I'm being serious.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
I'm not stupid.
Cynthia just took out the door right before you got here.
Yeah, that's funny.
You don't believe me?
Seeing as how we
I
got
will
the
show
house
you where
surrounded.
she's at. Okay, well, this has been 5 minutes before you got here, honey.
You going double lock?
No. Hold on.
Why can't I prove it to you? Why are you not letting me prove it to you? Seriously, why can't I not prove it to you?
Because I know better.
No, you don't. You
Yeah.
have no idea. Remember, you just said you've never met me. Ow! Ow, ow, ow. Can you please loosen that? Ow, that's really cutting me. Ow!
Well, quit trying to pull
I
your
can't.
arm
It
out.
hurt. I'm not trying. It just hurts. Please, ow! I'm being serious. That hurts really bad.
We can loosen these up as soon as we're out of here.
That really hurts.
Get up.
Like, we're good.
Please. Ow! I'm being serious. That hurts really bad. You're gonna have to.
Well, yeah, because
you're
you're
gonna
pulling.
No, you're gonna have to.
That's all right, because you're
You're
pulling.
gonna have to loosen that.
No,
Please, you're
it's
gonna
all
have to
recorded.
That
Everything's
hurts.
recorded.
That hurts. Loosen it just some. Please.
Get up. Stop struggling.
I'm
My
trying to
God.
prove to you who I am. Cops would let me prove to them.
Alright, where's your idea?
I'm trying.
Where's it at?
I was gonna grab it.
It's
Where?
her.
No,
her.
it's
Okay, let's go. Come
Really?
on, out the door.
really it's me.
We're
I mean, it's
taking
her.
You want to try to go down the steps with her?
Better than through the house.
Can I get some shoes on?
No, you don't need them. They'll give you some.
They'll give you some flip-flops. Come on. Open door, Mike. We've been.
Please let me get some shoes
Yeah,
on.
we probably need to go that way because we got the walls.
All right.
Ow. Ow, can you please loosen these things?
We'll listen as soon as we get to the car.
Ow. Robbie, please tell him who I am. What the? Why are you doing this? Seriously, Robbie, please tell him who I am, please.
He knows you by sight.
What are you talking
I'm not
about?
caught up in that shit.
What are you talking about?
All he's got to do is lie once and he can go to jail.
I'm going to jail. I'm trying to get you. Oh. She, Clay said you got her money. She wants you to
I
hold
don't have
20 of
any
it.
money.
Okay. Anyway.
Oh. You don't want to know why I didn't come out? Because I got that letter in the mail today.
So did I.
I'm scared. Where are we going?
We're going up to Home Depot. You get